Good morning, students. In the last class, you learned how to make negative even. You learned how to question form, how to make a question form. Those things you learned in the previous class. Even so many WH words also you learned what, where, when, yes, where to use and when to use. All those things you have learned in the previous class. Okay. In this class, I am going to start your fourth chapter. What is the fourth chapter is there? As question tag. What is the fourth chapter name is that? Question tags. What is question tags? It means what? Question tags andre ಏನು? What does that mean? Let's see. A question phrase a question phrase a question phrase added to a statement is called a question tag. Is called what? A question tag. So question tag ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is a phrase. It is a question phrase. ಇದು ಒಂದು question phrase. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಪದದ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು. Okay. Question phrase added statement is the called question tag. So the statement ಗೆ question phrase ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is called question tag. Okay. Let's see here so many list of special verbs are there. What are the special verbs are there? Especially you have to think about helping verbs. You have to think helping verbs as well as main verb. Okay. Let us see short forms. Short form of negatives. First you have to write short form of negatives. Short form of what? Negatives. Short form of what? Short form of negatives. That means is plus not. How to write the short form? Isn't. This like you have to write. Isn't. Okay. Then yam plus not. Yam plus not. Okay. Aren't. Yam plus not. Aren't. Okay. Then so are plus not. Aren't. I will tell you both are same. I will tell you later. Okay. Am plus not aren't. Are plus not aren't. So then next was plus not. Was plus not wasn't. Was plus not wasn't. Then were plus not weren't. Were plus not weren't. Okay. Do plus not don't. Do plus not don't. Then does plus not doesn't. Does plus not doesn't. Okay. So let us see some more helping verbs. Did plus not didn't. Did plus not didn't. So let's see next. Have plus not. Have plus not haven't. Then has plus not hasn't. Okay. Had plus not hadn't. will plus not, won't, shall plus not, shan't. Okay, would plus not, wouldn't, would plus not, wouldn't. So then let's see next. Can plus not, can't. Okay, could plus not, couldn't. So ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಸ್. What is it? Short form of negatives. So it is very important. You have to learn. In the question tag, you have to write short form. Question tag ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುವು? Yes, all these are short form. Isn't, aren't, wasn't, weren't, don't, doesn't, didn't, haven't, hasn't, hadn't, won't, shan't, wouldn't, can't, couldn't. Those are called what? Short form of negatives. ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, is it understand? So let us see through the example how to make question tag. How to make a question tag. So many examples are given. You have to check that he tells the truth. He tells the truth. He tells the truth. So here tells, that is main verb, not a helping verb. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪವು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if no more helping verb in that sentence, you have to think about main verb. You have to think about what? Main verb. Which tense it is? In that tense, what are the helping verbs do you take when you make negative or interrogative? So helping verb ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು you have to identify that. ಆ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ in the tense. For example, he tells the truth. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ for example, it is a simple present. It is in simple present. ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಯಾವ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ do or does. ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ yes, I do not come, she doesn't come. Okay, when do you come, when does she go? ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ do ಮತ್ತು does ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ I, we, you, they ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ do ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ he, she, it ಇನ್ನೇನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? does ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಯಾವಾಗಂದ್ರೆ when you make a negative or interrogative. Okay, we have to use two helping verbs. So suppose here he tells the truth. He tells the truth. So what helping verb you have to take? Do or does? ಯಾವ ತಗೊಂತೀರ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? You have to take does because he is there. He, she, it takes does. I, we, you, they takes do. So let's see how to make question tag. You have to write first does. Does plus not. How to write short form? Doesn't. Okay, doesn't. What is the subject is there? He is there, na? You have to write doesn't he. Then you have to put the question mark. Then you have to put the question mark. Okay. Assertive ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಈ ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಈಗ? ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಡಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್. Okay. See here. He does not tell the truth. First one is declarative sentence. Second one is a negative sentence. Assertive ಕೊಟ್ರೆ negative ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That like negative if time gives you change into positive or declarative. So here he does not tell the truth. Already negative is there. So don't think about that. So what is the main verb is helping verb is there? Does there. You have to take does first. Does. Then what you have to take? Does. What is that word? Does he? Then question mark. Does he? Is it understand? Assertive ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to write a negative short form. You have to write a negative short form. Then here second sentence is there, that is in negative. Negative change into declarative or positive. Ali what you removed here? Not did not take there. In that short form, not is there. Question tag in the question tag not is there. No na. So does he? Does he? So let's see second example. Sita is a girl. Sita is a girl. Yes, of course. In this sentence, you have to think main verb is there or helping verb is there. What is there? Any main verb is there? Sita is a girl. What is there? Yes, is. Is it is what? Is a helping verb. Is what a helping verb. So when the helping verb given in that sentence, don't think about too much. Helping verb ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. Helping verb ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you make a question tag by using the helping verb. So what is the helping verb is there? Is. It is in negative or positive? Positive. It is in positive degree. Positive sentence or declarative sentence. See here. How to write short form? Is plus not a. How to write a? Isn't. Isn't. Then Sita ite. Don't write names. ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಸರು ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಹೆಸರು ಬದಲು ಏನು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to write pronouns. We have to write what? Pronouns. What are the pronouns are there? I, we, you, he, she, it and they. All things we have to write in the question tag. Don't write any name. In Sita is there. Isn't Sita? If you write that is wrong. See here. Isn't Sita is there. Isn't Sita? If you write this like, it is wrong. Don't write name. In the place we have to write a pronouns. Sita, it means he na she na. What is that? You have to write a she. Okay. Isn't she? Isn't she? Okay. Let's see. If negative, how to make? Sita is not a wise student or wise girl, whatever it is. Sita is not a wise girl or not wise. Sita is not a wise girl. So it is negative. Assertive change as a negative, then negative change as a assertive. Already helping verb is there. Don't think too much. Is. What do you have to write next? Not a. Isn't it? No. Is. Then you have to write she. Is she? Then question mark. Is she? Is it understand? Okay, let's see one more example. They are doctors. They are doctors. Of course. What is the helping verb is there? ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ helping verb ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? R is there. So you have to check that. R plus not what you are to write? Aren't. Aren't. So what is the pronoun is there? They. You have to write same. Aren't they? Then question mark. Aren't they? Suppose next. They are not. They are not doctors. They are not doctors. How to write that? Yes. Are they? Are they? Okay. Students are playing. Students are playing. Are it? So, are you have right? Are. Aren't they? So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲೇ ದೇ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್. ನಾವೇನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದೇ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ are not playing. How to write that? Are they? Same. Are they? So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Let's see one more example. Radha told the truth and they. Radha told the truth. So first ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು helping verb ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದು am, is, are, was, were, that like no more helping verb in the sentence. So main verb is there. What is the main verb is there? Told. Told you have to think. It is what? V1 or V2 or V3. Then which tense it is? ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೆಲ್, ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ V1, V2 and V3. V1 means present tense, V2 means past tense, V3 means past participle. Is it right? So now it means Radha told. Told ಅಂದ್ರೆ V2. Yes, of course, we agree. Told ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತದ? V2 ಆಯ್ತು. So in the simple past ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ when you go to make a negative or interrogative. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ one helping verb we have to use in the simple past, that is did. That is what? Did. Is it right? That is what? Did. So here if did is there, how to make question tag? Did plus not? Didn't. Did plus not? Didn't. Radha means what you have to write? She na, he na, they na, what? Didn't she? didn't she? Okay. For example, Radha did not. Told is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tell ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Radha did not tell the truth. Negative ಕೊಟ್ಟದ. So negative ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. What is the helping verb is there? Did. Then you have to write did she. Did she? Is it understand? Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್? Write and have the negative short forms. What is your homework? What is your homework? You have to take homework by heart, by heart and write. By heart and write short form negatives. Short form what? Negatives. ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಏನ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to by heart. Is plus not isn't, was plus not wasn't, did plus not didn't. This like you have to by heart as well as you have to write. Okay, it is your homework. See you in the next class. Okay students, see you in the next class. Until, take care of yourself.